Hey everybody, this will be our last video on the strings package functions. We're going to use trim and TrimSpace. If you find this video is useful, please like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. All right, so we're going to use trim and TrimSpace. I'm actually not too familiar with these things. I'm going to look them up as we do this. So let's go to our documentation, handy dandy. And we're going to see what trim does and TrimSpace. I think TrimSpace is pretty intuitive, I believe, because it's going to take out all the spaces. But let's see, trim, cut set string. Whoa, that's a little complicated. Let's see. Function trim, text original string, cut set string, and returns another string. Trim returns a slice of string S with all the leading and the trailing Unicode code points contained in the cut set removed. Whoa. Code points contained in the cut set removed. I'm gonna have to look up this example because I don't know what that means. Print trim. This is the original string, fine. And this is what the cut set is. Oh, it just checks out. That's a lot of mumbo jumbo, fancy words for saying take out whenever you see what I told you to look for. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. All right, so this is the original string. So I'm reusing last video's code. We have package main. We're importing FMT like always. We're importing strings because that's what this video is all about. Okay, first string is S1 and that has this value fine. We can use that. We can do S2 and S2. That will be a resulting string. Now, what do you want to do? We want to use the strings function named trim. It takes an original string, in our case S1, and we have to tell it what to take out, what to trim out. So how about we say, anytime you see space, take them out. Save that, and then print S2. All right, save that. Okay, let's run the program. Ooh, it didn't even work. We still have the spaces. Good. Okay, well let's try something else before we debug this. How about we say take out all the B? Command S. Will that work? No. That is interesting. Okay, let's look at the documentation again and see what we did wrong. Here's string. Function trim returns a slice of strings. Oh, it returns a slice with all the leading and trailing Unicode points contained in the currency. And if we look at the example again, I think my code didn't work because I assigned it to a string. It should go to a slice of string. So how about we make S2 a slice of string? Make, and it will be of string and it will be of length 0. So, okay, so now S2 is an empty slice of strings. S2 doesn't like it now. Okay, let's see what it doesn't like. Cannot use strings.trim value as string value in assignment compiler. Well, why not, man? Cannot use strings.trim s1 equals b, value of type string as this. Okay, so this is the left side and this is the right side. It says, hey, why can't you use this value of type? So this returns a string. It thinks trim returns a string, but I was sure it said returns. It does return strings. What the heck? Time returns strings with all the leading and trailing command. So it removed package main function strings dot trim. This is the original string. Sure, comma. Remove anywhere you see this. I would be darned. Okay, well I'm gonna try giving it actual string like AB, and this will be string again because it does return a string. Save that. It's complaining why. Is that expression? Oh, dummy. Save that. No, it's not complaining, but I don't know that this will actually work because I don't understand what I'm doing here right now. Ooh, that worked. So it looks like it has to be more than one character. Let's try again with an A and see if that will prove our theory. Nope, that worked. I swear I don't know what I did differently to make this work, and it is working. Okay, let's try. How about we take out all the K's? Does that work? Yep, that works. So the first time when I did this, I did something wrong. Right now, it's working as expected. Anything we say to take out, it takes out. The other one we were supposed to play with the trim space. So I bet you it just takes out all the space. So let's see if that's true. Trim space. Okay. Save that. And of course, it's probably not going to take any second argument because it's in a trim space. That's what I'm thinking. We'll give it a shot. Well, that didn't work. Or at least that it didn't do what I thought it's supposed to do. Let's check out what it's supposed to do. Trim left, trim space. Returns a slice of string S. Again, it's saying slice. I don't know why it's saying it's literally saying string here. With all the leading and leading and trailing. I see. So we don't have any leading and trailing. So we're going to add some to do our testing. Whole bunch of leading and whole bunch of trailing. Now if we run it, we get this back with all the leading and the trailing spaces removed. That makes sense. Okay, so that will end our series on string functions. Again, to remind you why it is important to know about these functions, because you're more likely than not to get a string-based algorithm question in a coding interview. And when you do, if you already know about these functions, you can write your algorithm into code much quicker because you're not going to have to reinvent the wheel on writing some of these functions. That will make it go quicker. Of course, make it look better too because it'll be more structured looking, and it'll be less stressful. I think that's about it. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.